Here we are at Chessington Hotel. Join us as we have a look inside.
Originally opening as the Holiday Inn London Chessington, this hotel now has two parts to it. The Safari Hotel, which is where we're staying, and the Azteca Hotel.
We just did the self-service check-in on these little screens here. Okay. Freddie's giving you the guided tour. Look at this big giraffe.
What?
Look at the big giraffe.
When you come in, there's a very big lobby entrance. It gave us kind of Animal Kingdom Lodge vibes. There was a nice area to sit, you had the check-in desks, and then on the other side there was an area where children could sit and watch TV, which was an area Freddie really enjoyed. Next up, we had a look around the restaurant. We didn't actually eat here at Chessington Hotel this trip. We found it a little bit expensive, so we just ordered pizzas to the room. One of the best parts of Chessington Hotel has to be the Savannah outlook. There were some nice tables and chairs outside where you could sit and watch the animals. We saw a few zebras and a few other animals around. It was a nice area that we could sit and watch the animals, especially seeing as we hadn't paid for the Savannah view.
Oh my goodness. Look what's up here. What is it? Paw Patrol rooms are on our floor. Oh. We need to keep him away from Paw Patrol land tomorrow. Unfortunately, it's not open till Sunday. So we're in room 204. Hello. Oh, hello. Can I come in?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah. So, as you come in, you've got storage area here. We've got iron and ironing board.
Some mugs.
We've got some milks. We've got tea and coffee. We've got drawers. Quite a bit of storage. Ironing board. Already put our coats up. Bathroom on the other side. So it's got one big sink, big mirror. This one doesn't have a bath. It just has a shower in it. Okay, so we've got a twin room, which is 2 single beds, and then it has bunk beds in there as well. So we've got like a nice thing above the bed. We've got lights. You can tell it's an older hotel because there's no plugs by the bed. It's just the lights. Is there any more lights? Oh no, that turns them off. So it's quite dark in this room actually. We've got the set of bunk beds. We've got over here, nice little touch. They've got a little Freddo on here. It's got frosting on the window, which means you can't really see much. Not that our view's not great anyway. It's out to like the storage area and the car park because we didn't have the Savannah view on. You've got 2 chairs and a table, and then a desk area. There's quite a few plugs over this side, so that's not bad. And there's USB as well. But as I said, there's no plugs by the bed. So we'll just have to charge all our bits over here today. Mirror. Got a fridge. We've already packed all our bits and pieces in there. Make sure they're nice and chilled. TV on the wall. Little luggage storage thing. Remote. And then over here you've got a full-length mirror. Excuse of all of our luggage in the way.
Overall, we had a great stay at the Chessington Safari Hotel, and we'll definitely be back again soon to visit Paw Patrol Land. The entrance, as I said, definitely gave us Animal Kingdom Lodge vibe. The room was great, it was comfy, clean, and definitely what you'd need before a day at the theme park. The only downside, as I said, was a little bit dark in the room. The savannah outside was a great spot to sit and watch the animals before going up to bed. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.